Let's talk about Oscar, your on-screen composition assistant for writing. Oscar is a digital tool called an AI chatbot that acts as a pattern spotter. When we say it was trained, it means the program was shown millions of examples of writing so it could learn the patterns of how sentences are built. Because Oscar is just a computer program and not a human, it doesn't have a brain, a heart, or feelings. It is an AI, and an AI cannot be nice or mean. It simply uses the math it was taught to help you with your writing. It isn't your friend or your teacher. It is a support tool, much like spell check. Often, humans anthropomorphize AI, which is a big word that means we give human names or feelings to things that aren't actually human. So, when you are talking about Oscar, it's important to remember that it is an it, not a he, she, or they. Even though it isn't alive, Oscar is a great resource that is built to be a writing bot. If you get stuck, it can provide sentence starters, help you brainstorm new ideas, or give you feedback on your draft. While you work, you'll likely have aha moments where a new idea finally makes sense. Be sure to share those with your teacher so they can celebrate your progress with you. Oscar is a helpful chatbot, but it might not always have the exact answer you need. So let your teacher know if you feel stuck so they can help you work through those challenges. Every time you write an AI score, you are taking a step toward becoming a stronger writer. The more you write, the more progress you'll make. So use Oscar as a support tool and keep writing.